Safari Part 3.
Row, 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 we row the boat. We're going through the river in a big strong boat. Have a quick peek in the forest. What do you see? What do you see? Q. It's the letter Q. Q for quail. They are small-sized birds, and they lay eggs like chicken. Row, 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 we row the boat. We're going through the river in a big strong boat. Have a quick peek in the forest. What do you see? What do you see? R. It's the letter R. R for rabbit. Rabbits have long ears, and they love carrots. Row, 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 we row the boat. We're going through the river in a big strong boat. Have a quick peek in the forest. What do you see? What do you see? S. It's the letter S. S for snake. Snakes have long, flexible bodies. They don't have hands and legs. Row, 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 we row the boat. We're going through the river in a big strong boat. Have a quick peek in the forest. What do you see? What do you see? T. It's the letter T. T for tortoise. They crawl so slow. They have a big shell on their back, so they can hide under that shell. Row, 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 we row the boat. We're going through the river in a big strong boat. Have a quick peek in the forest. What do you see? What do you see? U. It's the letter U. U for umbrella bird. There is a crown on the top of its head, like an umbrella. Hence the name umbrella bird. Row, 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 we row the boat. We're going through the river in a big strong boat. Have a quick peek in the forest. What do you see? What do you see? V. It's the letter V. V for vulture. They love to fly high. Vultures are scavengers. They play an important role in cleaning the environment. Row, 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 we row the boat. We're going through the river in a big strong boat. Have a quick peek in the forest. What do you see? What do you see? W. It's the letter W. W for woodpecker. Woody, woody woodpecker. Woodpeckers have strong beaks, and they can drill into any trees. Row, 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 we row the boat. We're going through the river in a big strong boat. Have a quick peek in the forest. What do you see? What do you see? X. It's the letter X. X for Xerus. Xerus is a ground squirrel. They use its fluffy tail as a shade from the sunlight. Bum, 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 it's a bumpy road. We're going in a bus to the bumpy road. Have a quick peek in the forest. What do you see? What do you see? letter Y. Y for yak. Yaks have long, thick hair. They are very friendly in nature. Bum bum bum, it's a bumpy road. We're going in a bus to a bumpy road. Have a quick peek in the forest. What do you see? What do you see? Z. It's the letter Z. Z for zebra. Zebras are famous for their black and white stripes. No two zebras have the same stripes.
Please watch the previous episodes of Alphabet Safari Sam.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.